Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your device supports auto-join and the OS is up to date, which prevents compatibility issues. Next, gather the network SSID, the correct password, and verify whether the network uses WPA2 or WPA3 because that affects settings. Turn on Wi-Fi, and if the platform needs it, enable Bluetooth or location services. Once done, scan available networks, select the correct SSID, and choose the option to save or auto-join, so the device stores credentials and network profile. Now you configure the device's auto-connect behavior so it connects reliably. Go into Wi-Fi settings, tap the network profile, and open Advanced Options. This is where auto-join or connect automatically lives. Enable that toggle, and if available, set network priority so preferred networks are chosen first. Make sure the saved password is correct and check whether the connection is marked as metered. Change that if you want unrestricted data. Once configured, the device will attempt seamless reconnection whenever the SSID is in range. Finish by validating the setup. Toggle Wi-Fi or move out of range and return to ensure automatic reconnection happens. If the device fails to auto-connect, forget the network, reboot the device, and re-enter the password before re-enabling auto-join. This clears corrupted profiles. If problems persist, inspect the router. Disable MAC filtering, verify DHCP lease availability, confirm SSID broadcasting, and update firmware. One key troubleshooting tip. A router restart often resolves handshake or DHCP issues that block auto-connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.